급락하다.
Slump. Iran's currency had slumped to a historic low against the dollar.
막다.
Curb. The tariffs were intended to curb India's large purchases.
쥐어짜다.
Squeeze. A furniture maker gets squeezed by the US and China.
넘쳐 흐르다.
Flood. China's factories flooded the market with cheap imports.
병목 현상.
Bottleneck. Supply chain bottlenecks are delaying shipments from Asia.
파급 효과.
Ripple effect. A ripple effect of the trade war has been even worse.
동요.
Jitter. AI jitters made the rounds on Wall Street.
파산 상태.
Insolvency. Social Security's future insolvency is a U.S. problem.
Iran's currency had blanked to a historic low against the dollar. Iran's currency had slumped to a historic low against the dollar. China's factories blanked the market with cheap imports. China's factories flooded the market with cheap imports.